Cool. We're gonna open our first booster pack for Double Masters 2022. See what we're gonna get. Oh, this is not from Japan. No pull tab. Let's see. Alright. Call to Defeat. Kashmira's Transmutation. Eel Umbra. Esprit. Dimir Aqueduct. Nephalia Smuggler. Okay, full art. Micro Changer, Scar. This Canadian. Chancery. Impervious. Great form. Oh, 1,000-Year Storm. For our Semitic. Oh! Imperial Seal! And then for it's a rare Forbidden Orchard.